Welcome to JD's Jail Auto. My name's Jeff. Hope y'all doing well. And this is my entry video to the shop truck group build that Mark is hosting at Hobby Dude 007. And if you haven't checked his channel out, yeah, check him out. It's pretty cool. And I know when you think of shop trucks, you either think of panel trucks, pickup trucks, stuff like that. I have a different idea. So I'm going to put a little bit of a twist into what they call a shop truck. So, without nothing more to say, let's head to the bench and check it out right after the intro. Now, what I picked for my shop truck was the 1955 Chevy Nomad. I know it sounds different, but, something caught my eye was this. Now, that would be a sharp looking truck. And I put my ideas in ChatGPT, which I'll show you here in a little bit later. But let's go ahead and unbox it and check it all out. First things first. For some reason the tires came out. So, and on the tires, which has got really good tread on them, has the real thick white wall on one side, thin white wall on the other. I'm thinking about using the thick white walls. So, that's one idea. And it came with slits too, which is pretty detailed. But we'll put them on for the gasser. Now, the body. Body and chassis, I should say. And a little bit of work here and there. Looks like typical. But everything else looks alright. And I think this would look really good as a pickup. I mean, just something different. And here, interior tub. And a chassis. And it looks like there's a lot of marks and now need work. But all in all, don't look bad. I definitely would have to take the exhaust out though. So that's going to be interesting. So, okay. We'll set that off to the side. But I did see some panel lines in here. That's why I brought this back. So, like one there and one there. Alright. But like I said, now, the other bag of styrene. And you got the front seat, back seat, dashboard. There's quite a bit of flashing on these, but nothing that can't be reworked. I definitely have my work cut out though. Here's the hood, and you can see there's a lot of flashing in these areas. Racing seats, which I ain't gonna be using. The hood. And here's the pickup part bed and top, which I'll be using. So, now I've never done this before, so it's definitely gonna be a challenge. So, and go from there with that. Rear tailgate, front suspension system, has independent steering. So, yeah, like I said, it's going to be an interesting build. license plate brackets, the inside of the tailgate, the engine. Here's the grill piece for the custom grill, steering brackets, seat belts, radiator, two different steering wheels, racing steering wheel and the stock steering wheel, hood scoop. Okay, now here's the clear glass, which I don't plan on using. I'm definitely not using the red. I'm not using this whole thing here. I'm going to use these ones. So, but probably I'm going to have to cut the front window piece for the pickup. So, and I don't ever think I cared about the red tint. But that would be good for the gasser, I guess. And throw that in the box. The rod to the rear axle. Rear taillights. Okay, now you got your chrome pieces. You got the stock front grill, your front custom grill, fan, hood ornament, generator, marker lights for the front, taillight rims, and front and back bumper. Here you got the center console piece. Here's the bed railings, the original hubcaps, chrome valve covers. Here's the shifter, oil pan, headlight pieces, two different ones. You got custom and stock. The other chrome pieces. And here's the custom headers, which I never cared for those. Rear axle. Here's your gasser front end. Your gauges. Your extra gauges, I should say. Exhaust tips. Racing stuff. I never really got into race cars very much. So here's your custom rims. Your gas tank for the front, they call the moon tank, which this is the other half to it, or the centerpiece to it, I should say. Here's the cap to it. Here's the spring to the gasser front end. Rear end into the Hawborn intake manifold for a gasser. So, and now the details, which looks really well. I like got the dashboard ones, but I won't be using these that much. So, and the instructions, kind of basic. Okay, now here's my ideas. I want to put a newer bid block Chevy in it with a fuel injector system, high bucket seats, a console in the middle with a standard 4-speed in it. I got a custom grill I want to put in it. Have the custom headlights and bumpers, but keep the original look except for the pickup part. Cut the roof off, add the pickup section in. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to use the rails that it came with or if I'm going to use different ones or even use them at all. I'm not sure. But these are only ideas right now at this point, and I'll be right back. Okay, now That was my ideas of the shop truck, but I also had 2 color ideas I had, and I put all my ideas in ChatGPT, so that's where the images came from, and I liked the way the images looked, but I'd like to hear from you and see what you think. So here's the 2 colors. The first one was Candy Apple Red by Stale Finishes, and the second one is Atomic Red Pearl from Stale Finishes. Now I want to hear from you, the viewers and subscribers and that. Let me know what you think. And pick what color, see what you think is best, and we'll go from there with that. Which one is the most, we'll go with. And I want your opinion on the bed block and see what you think. Should I go with small block, bed block, fuel injected, carbureted? Let me know. So, without nothing more to say, I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers and viewers for all your support. It means so much. And like I said, leave everything in the comments. I want to read them. I want to see what you think. I value your opinions. And we'll go from there, all right? So, until the next video, y'all have a good one.